HEUI injector test. Caterpillar C9. Select HEUI. Select injector model Caterpillar C9. Click Continue. First click on the help document. Check the adapters needed. Remove the protective cover. Mounting fixture. Fixing fixture. Installing injector. Clamping bracket. Installing injector. Clamping clip. Connector plug. Install the protective cover. Use number 1 small hole oil collector. Connecting the plug of the injector. Connect response time VIP cable. Click Start. Injection, fuel return, inductance, response time. Injection curve. Test completed. View report. Thanks for watching.